Are you tired of feeling like your expensive gadgets are designed to fail? It's a frustrating reality in today's consumer world, where planned obsolescence seems to be the name of the game. Companies often use lockdown electronics and software to control how long your devices last, and sadly, this practice extends beyond just smartphones and computers. But here's where it gets interesting. Many power tool manufacturers, like Milwaukee, are under scrutiny for potentially cutting corners in their battery packs. The core issue? These packs might be designed to wear out prematurely. The video by Tool Scientist raises some serious questions about Milwaukee's battery technology. The video suggests that the battery packs don't actually balance the individual cells within them. This isn't always obvious. It's not as simple as checking for extra wires. The microcontrollers inside these packs, which manage the battery's operations, might be used only to communicate status updates, not to actively balance the cells. Tool Scientists put this theory to the test. They introduced an imbalance into a battery pack and then ran a series of tests, including monitoring communications, measuring voltage drops, and putting the battery through charge and discharge cycles. The results? The imbalance remained, leading to the conclusion that Milwaukee might not be balancing their battery packs. But here's a thought-provoking question. Could Milwaukee be intentionally omitting this feature? One could argue that most packs might function adequately for years without cell balancing, making the added cost unnecessary. It's also possible that Milwaukee has made improvements since the video was released. However, a more cynical view, especially considering the rise of subscription services and other value extraction methods, is that Milwaukee may be doing this to encourage customers to buy more batteries. They already make user repairs difficult, which aligns with this potentially profit-driven strategy. Or perhaps it's simply a matter of design oversight, similar to the Nissan Leaf's lack of active thermal management in its battery systems. What do you think? Is this a case of cost-cutting or something more? Share your thoughts in the comments below.